Has this ever happened to you?
Where are we?
We're Hidden Falls.
Wish they had something online. Would you just slow down and stop? I can't even find out where we're going. God, darn it.
Have you ever been to Hidden Falls and you thought you were on one trail, but it turns out you were on something else?
These maps, I just don't even know where we're at.
We got something for you. The map system at Hidden Falls Adventure Park is now digital. It's really exciting for a lot of reasons. One, you've got everything right there on your phone. No more carrying around this piece of paper. You have it right there in your pocket, pull it out. Boom, it's on your phone. You open it up and you've got all 3 maps in there. Boom, boom, boom. Open up your map. It's showing you exactly where you are. We're currently in the general store. Everything's available offline, so you need to be connected to anything in order to have the information. It's also showing your GPS coordinates, so if you're way out on the trail or something like that, and you're having an issue or something, you can call a rangers and be like, hey, these are my GPS coordinates. Say you're on a motorcycle trail, you've got all 3 maps there, so you can toggle through the different map systems to figure out what trail you're actually on. Say you want more information than that, you can go to the layers and you can download all of the layers, and then you can turn these on. So if I'm on my motorcycle and I'm riding all over the park, I want to show my ATV, UTV stuff, I want to show my full size, and I want to show all the moto trails. I can show all of that on my map, then I just back out of there. And now I've got everything is right there on the map. And so while it may look like a mess, from afar, as you zoom in, you can see how everything starts to clear up, so you can identify where you're at. So you're looking, you're like, oh, this is a mess, I don't really like all this stuff. No problem, you can turn it all right back off real easy. The other cool thing about the layers is you can just click on or select any trail, and it's gonna tell you what that trail is and how far it is, how long it is. So hey, I clicked on here, motorcycle north loop, and it's 8.47 miles. We've been working on this for a while. You've probably seen our YouTube videos and stuff like that with our 360, and we've basically, while we were doing that, we updated all of our GPS coordinates on all of our trail systems. For your next adventure, you can go online, download all this stuff, have it on your phone ready to go for when you get here. For a limited time, it is free. Download, get it on your phone, and then you'll have it ready for you next time you're out here. Here we are right here.
Oh, it's so nice to have technology now.
We're on Park Road 4, and it's only 2.44 miles.
Now we can get somewhere without being lost. Thanks, Hidden Falls. Where you're going?
Don't tell me my business, devil woman!
Can't even tell where I'm going.
Yeah, his map.
He was actually looking at the map.
3 maps there. Oh, crap.
Oh, okay, yeah, this says Area B.
Where's the store?
I don't know.
I wanted to buy a tank top.
That's blue. Whoa!